In this series, we hand-pick chefs and challenge them to create the ultimate outdoor cooker. And today we're heading down the coast and cooking up lamb ribs with my mate Tito.
We like to light up our fires in a natural way, and we always use paper bag as a starter. There's something beautiful about building a fire with the elements that surrounds the area where you're gonna cook. Today we're gonna cook some lamb ribs and we're gonna do some flatbread to go with it. We collect some water from the ocean that will give the saltiness to the bread. I think that's perfect. We will make some charred vegetable salsa to go with it. So we put everything straight over the fire, wait until it have a really nice char on it, burn the outside, and then we're gonna take it out and make a salsa out of it. And then you just steam inside with the same liquid, and with the capsicums it just cooks out quite fast. So it chars, and then it's really easy to peel, and you get all that smoky flavor of the oils of the skin. The onions will burn all over the outside and they will steam inside, so we will take the outer layers and stay with the heart that is going to be really soft. And then we start cooking the lamb. And then I'm gonna put them a little bit longer. That have to be really cool. Like I like. We finished cooking them on top of the grill. Now we're gonna score a little bit the outside of the fat of the lamb so it renders better, all that out layer of fat. Put a bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. We need a bit the dough to build that tension into it. As another sauce, we're gonna make this fresh chimichurri that will go at the end with the lambs. We cook first side on the bones. We take the inner core of the garlic so it doesn't sit bad in the stomach. It's not heavy at all. You get only the fresh and sharp and spicy flavor of the garlic. The onions should come out easy by pressing them. We chop everything roughly, we put it in a bowl and we season it with a little bit of balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Now we'll cut the dough into little circles and get them ready to make some fire breads. We will build up again that tension in the dough so it explodes when we put it over the fire. We will wait until we have really red coals. We will put our fire bread straight into the coals. This is gonna mellow down the temperature of the coals and will give a little char and smoky to the outside of the bread. It will make it explode. It will have a really high temperature.
Okay, now I'm gonna put it in. Put out. That's done.
We will finish our last fire breads over the grill. To finish, we will put our queen's butter paste to glaze the lamb. This will bring a rich, smoky, sweet, slightly sour from the queens. cut into sizes. We want this lamb to be nice and pink. Cut it into little stripes. Put a bit of the lemons as the yogurt as a base. It's really nice. Capsicum, onion, and balsamic salad on top of it. Something unique about cooking over the fire. You can't rush it. You take your time. And it turns a plan like sharing food into a journey. It's beautiful to share it with friends.
Yeah.